All right, a quick little review on the review worksheet I gave you. So if you are interested in a little more help, because some of you are getting number one wrong for sure. All right, so remember, if we have our triangle, so we have moles. So we have our mole triangle, we have mass, we have particles, and we have volume. Right? And remember, if we're going toward mole, we're going to divide. If we're going toward mass, we're going to multiply. All right, so with this first question here, how many atoms, right? So atoms are particles, right? Are in 2.5 moles of sulfur, right? So if I'm going away, from moles, I'm going from moles to particles, I have to multiply, right? So I have 2.5 moles. I have 2.5 moles. So this is my start. And this is my end. So 2.5 moles. Remember, if I'm going to moles of particles, I'm always going to use that as my conversion. So 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd over mole. Right, so cancel out my moles. Right, and then you'll get, let me get my little calculator out here. .5 times 6, or sorry, not 6. Let me erase that. 10 to the 24 atoms. All right, so make sure you're using your triangle whenever possible. All right, the balancing should be pretty easy. All right, so remember, strategy for balancing, just take one atom at a time. So I have one silicon here, one silicon there, so I'm going to ignore it for now. I have 4 chlorides, right? I have 1 over here, so I'll just start by putting a 4 there. I now have 4 hydrogens here. I have 4 here, 4 more there, so I have 8. I have 2 here, so I'll multiply 2 times 4 to make 8. Right? And then we'll look, now I have 4 oxygens, and I have 4 oxygens. Bitchin'. Balancing is bitchin', so that's all you had to do. Okay, just put the 4 there. Remember, you don't have to put anything, you don't have to put a 0 there, right? Because we just don't do that. So, right? You don't have to put a 1 there. We don't have to state 1s either, so we can erase that. All right, so that's what it is. So when you come down to the stoichiometry one, right? Remember stoichiometry? We have our expanded triangle, right? And remember that this is a molar ratio. Molar ratio coefficients. Okay, so if we look at our equation here, right, this should be an arrow. It's it's not balanced. So let's balance it first. All right, so I have 2 nitrogens, I have 1, so I'll put it. So I'll put a 2 there. All right, I have now 6 hydrogens, I have 2 hydrogens, so I'll put a 3 there. So now we're balanced, right? Okay, so now we're balanced. So let's figure out where we're starting and ending, right? So this right, so that's our end, and I guess I used a circle for that earlier, so let me use a circle. Circle, moles of hydrogen gas. Right, so this is our start. Okay, so we'll figure out where we start. So remember, this would be mass, particles, and this is my, then we have okay, so my start is with the moles. So my start would be here. Let me give you a different. So my start is here, and I have moles. So my end this way. My end is there, right? So I only need the center section. Okay, so pretty easy. So I just go like this. So I have 6 moles H2. Remember, over here is what I want. I want ammonia. I want to get rid of my H2. And now I'm going to put my coefficients. So my H2 was 3. My ammonia was 2. So I get 12 over 3, which was equal to 4, which matches my answer. Okay? All right. So I hope that helped. Good luck with the rest. Let me know if you have a problem, and I will come back on and do some more for you. All right, bye.